And you know, I need to take this opportunity to really say thank you kasi it's not just so many people really help us and help our family na it's really, you really feel the love of his friends and his family. So if you're here, do please stand up so that we can all recognize you. Tita Lynn and Tito Tirso, thank you so much. Because they were the ones that were there the first day that Dad was in the ICU. And they visited us, and they held our hands and we prayed. They prayed over Papa, and they prayed with us in the waiting room because we did not know that it would be such a long fight. So thank you. To the Wednesday Club, Tita Malu, Ana, Alan, Tito Cesar, and I hope I know everybody's names because minsan iba-iba yung pupunta sa group. But to the Wednesday Club, thank you so much. He loved hanging out with each of you. He loved eating the twice-cooked adobo.
Yes.
And every time that he would talk about his friends, kayo palagi yung bukang bibig niya. So thank you so much. And they're here, so I see Alan, I see Anna. So thank you so much. Tita Malu, I'm not sure if you're here, but...
Yes.
Oh, she's there, okay. So although she's fierce, you know, she's very fierce, I know how much she loved Papa. And all throughout, she has been really always checking on us, making sure that we're okay, making sure we have food. Pinapagalitan niya ako minsan na walang pagkain, but I know that that's part of her love for us. Tito Bong Revilla and Tita Lani, I just wanted to say thank you so much also for visiting Dad, for all the help and support that you've provided our family. Also, Senator Bongo, Senator Alan Cayetano, Senator Grace Po, Senator Lito Lapid, Miss Imelda Papin, Senator Robin Padilla, and of course, Senator Jinggoy with Tita Prezi and his family. Actually, Senator Jinggoy is my ninong, and Ninong, gusto na. Joke lang. No, actually, my dad was so proud because he was also the ninong of Jel Estrada, and so alam ko yung mga kumpare, proud sila na ninong kami. Yeah. But yeah, to the Estrada family, really thank you so much talaga for all the months that we have been fighting. Thank you so much po for your guidance and for your help. To Tito Willie Revillame, Tita Sylvia Sanchez, to all of the Legends group, naku, ang dadami ninyo, but they are legends for a reason. Thank you so much for visiting Dad a week before we brought him home. Thank you for loving him. I know that there were times na hindi na kayo nakikita as much kasi nagiging busy, but just know that he really valued each and every one of your friendship. So my dad has a lot of friends, pero yung really close to his heart are you guys are really one of the ones that are close to his heart. And of course, to the Legends kids, sana matuloy natin ang ginawa ng mga magulang natin, and I hope that we can continue to celebrate, you know, in other occasions, not just like this. To the P-Elite family, sana Miss Regine, Miss Winnie, Miss Helen, Miss Michelle, Miss Fobel, and all of you, thank you so much. So I'm not sure if you're here, but if you're here, just please stand up para they can acknowledge you. But thank you so much. So that's his GMA family. Thank you so much for always letting Dad grab the mic and sing a song. That's the truth. Of course, Tita Bebeth and Tito Carlitos and the Sigurina family. Tita Bebeth is one of the only ones na kinakatakutan ng tatay ko. So palakpakan natin siya! Kasi siya talaga ang kinakatakutan ni Tata. Yeah, but I know that Papa loved and respected you very, very much. So thank you, Tita, and thank you for being there when he took his last breath as well. Thank you. To the Gutierrez family, guys, come on, stand up, please. That's Diego and Tita Monching, and of course Tita Lot. From Mamita's wake, no, na parang naging party planner ka, well, not party planner, event planner kami bigla for our Lola's wake na nadala kay Mama Guy, na nadala kay Papa. Sana last na to. Magre-retire na kami. But seriously, but thank you so much for all the help with the flowers, the food, the iwata, lahat. It really takes a village to make all of this our celebration for Dad. So thank you to the Gutierrez family. And a little shout out to Echo. Come on, Echo, stand up, Echo. Come on, Baba. Just a quick story, guys. It took us a week to get Papa's room ready. Porque may something, we had to get all the beds. And thank you so much pala to Miss Lovely Rivera and Ana for giving us the hospital bed. Thank you so much. But we were done na, we were ready. Kaso lang, for those that have been to Dad's house, malaking garden yun na may ilaw. And masakit yung, sumasakit yung mata niya. Echo went there. He took 2 hours, almost 3 hours, kinabit niya yung cortina ni Papa na 18 feet. 18 feet yun tama diba? 18 feet. And nagdala siya ng drill, nagdala siya ng screwdriver, and that was the last thing that we needed to complete our Dad's room. So thank you, Echo. Sabi nga niya after, what did he say? Parang sabi ko, itip mo na lang yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, yun yung joke niya. Diba? Ibigay mo na lang sa asawa ko yung bayad. Yun yung joke niya. Yeah, but thank you. Love you, Papa. Sorry guys, I just need to take this opportunity to thank people because really a lot of people really have. To Gloss. No, Gloss is my partner of almost 10 years. She's also the one who was singing in the choir a while ago. No, but of course, with everything that our family is going through, she has been one of the ones who has shown love to our family, to me, who has seen me in the middle of the night in the couch crying, looking at my dad's pictures. And then after, when I look at her, she's crying na rin, so we're crying together. So, but it's good to grieve with someone or with your loved ones. At least you can do it together. So, thank you, Bloss. To Papa's siblings, Tita Yela, Tita Maymay, Uncle Charlon, Uncle Bing, we are so appreciative that you both flew home from America and that you have been in constant communication with us to check on how your kuya is. And I know that you guys loved him so much. And before he left, we called them, he spoke in their ear, and they were able to say their own goodbye. So Tita Yala and Tita Maymay, please, we could stand up. Uncle Charlotte's also there, and Uncle Bill, please give a round of applause to Pretty siblings. Thank you so much. And I know that Papa loved each and every one of you. To Malka, please stand up. Malka is the girlfriend, the partner of my dad for, I think, 4 years, diba? 4 years. And really, we would not have done it if she was not there with my dad. She was the one who has been by his side in the hospital every day. She has not been, she used to be nag-office yan. We were both from the BPO, but she has stayed by his side, and she has made him feel loved during the last years of his life. Of course, us as a family, we can do that, but she was able to do that for him as a partner. And I'm very, very appreciative for you taking care of Papa and for loving him and for making him feel loved until the end of his days. And even when we went home, she was still there. Hindi ko na ginagalaw yung dynamic nila kasi when we were in the ICU, I said, Dad, do you want us to stay here with you? Do you want us to sleep here? we can, we can take turns, we can take shifts. But that kasi being the man that he is, he doesn't want to be a burden to people. Diba? Parang, no, I'm fine, I'm fine. So when I saw that their dynamic was working for them, and I would check in with her, if you need anything, please let us know. I don't want to, we were just trying our best to make everything work. But yeah, I really appreciate na there was someone with him, taking care of him, and the taking care is in a bigger way already. In a way that we shouldn't have to, or it's not a way that we want to take care of our partner, but she did that. So thank you, Malka, from our family, and thank you that since you were able to be with him in the hospital, and we were able to also fix things for him outside, manage his household and everything. And lastly, to my Mama, who is really the light of our family, who from my dad being in the ICU to being in a regular room for 5 months and then going home and going to the ICU again, and even before that, she has really shown the grace and the I don't even know the word for it, but she has really, I used to say na parang grabe si Papa, sobrang lakas niya. Diba? But seeing how my mom handled also managing the siblings, our family, and making sure that she was there for each of us when she knew that we were going through what our family was going through. So thank you, Mama. I love you so much. And I'm not ready to live in a world that my dad's not there. But at least I still have my mom who I know can provide so much love for not just me but all my siblings in our family. So again, if I forgot anybody, I'm so sorry. But for those that visited, Tito Serafin, Tito Mary Ann, to all of his friends, Tito Agat, Tito Rio, everybody, Tita Lot, Tita Nadia, thank you so much. If I forgot anyone, please know that we are so grateful for you, Tita Ana Vera. Thank you so much. And yeah. To end the night, I'd like to call on my mom to say a few short words. Okay, so thank you. Thank you, everyone.